You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this member of the Stray Kids group and how to pronounce Felix in Korean, how it's said in Korea. If you want to learn more Stray Kids member names, stay tuned. There are more videos for you. Felix is how it's pronounced, how they say it in Korea. In English it's Felix or Felix. In Korea, Felix. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.